Oh yeah, I got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what do we got here? And for all those that say I don't catch fish, nah, 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 nah. Love.
More support, man. More support.
All the support. My pliers are in my car.
Oh, no.
I went to get my pliers out of my bag, and I was like, I'm not putting my hand in his mouth. There's no way. It's just not gonna happen today. What's going on, buddy? Soliaka here, and I want to give a huge shout out to Matthew Valente, Tyler Hutchinson, and Robert Whiteside for donating into the either the PayPal or with a super chat. Thank you so much, and this video is for you. This is my trip down to Boca Raton, and it was a little park, and I had a library attached to it, and it was an interesting day. So don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, all that good stuff. Let's get into it.
Respect.
Hey, much respect, much love,
more support, man. More support.
All the support in the world. And he just ran into me on the side of the road. That's it.
No, thank you.
Much love, much love. I got one. Oh yeah, I got one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, what do we got here? Oh yeah, what is that, a snakehead? Oh yeah. Woo, look at that. Oh, it's a snakehead, motherfucker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, snakehead, man.
Big fucker.
Hell yeah. An invasive species too, man. Got him. Got him. Yeah, buddy.
Nice catch.
Yes, sir. And that right there is a snakehead. These things are invasive. We have one that's from Florida. That is, it's called a bowfin, and this I almost 100% am sure is a snakehead. But we're gonna go ahead and because it's invasive, we're gonna make sure this thing never sees the light of day again. But until then, we're gonna get back to fishing. Oh yeah, snakehead! I caught one. Yeah. And for all those that say I don't catch fish, nah, 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 nah. Snakehead.
Oh, nice. What do you do with it?
These are invasive here in Florida.
Yeah.
And the goal is to kill every one of them.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, but they are good eating too. So,
Good eating?
oh yeah,
Really?
yeah. Just so I can take one off the list and have some dinner.
I must have given a fight, right?
Yeah, they pull really hard. The only thing is they have teeth, and my pliers are in my car.
Oh, no.
I went to get my pliers out of my bag, and I was like, I'm not putting my hand in his mouth. There's no way. It's just not gonna happen today.
Very nice.
But yeah,
catch.
thanks. Have a great day. Yeah, see ya. Car number 464, Boca Raton Police.